What's going on, guys? Got another video for you today. Got the XJ in here instead of the TJ, so that's pretty sweet. I have got a special project today. Half doors for the Cherokee. I picked these up a couple weeks ago and they've been sitting around because I've been lazy and I've been working on the TJ. But I think that today is the day. I went into Tractor Supply, bought a couple pins, and I'm gonna throw them things on. I don't know if they're gonna stay on because it's been raining all day, but at least I can get them on and my doors will be removable so whenever I want to put them on. So that's pretty sweet. I'm excited. All right, let's go ahead and get the XJ pulled back up into here and I'll show you guys how we'll take the doors off. So the very first thing you're gonna want to do is come down to where the driver's side door is. There's a door panel, there's a speaker. Down where your kick panel is, there's gonna be 3 connectors. Go ahead and unplug all 3 of those connectors. And then right where my finger is here, right there, and you can't see it, I will get a better video in a minute. There is a rubber thing you gotta push through there that the wires sit in. So we'll go ahead and push that. I'm gonna call it a grommet. Go ahead and push that grommet through and pull the wires through so that we can get to right here for the doors where the wires come through. And then of course you have one hinge here, one hinge down there. There is 3, what are they? T40 bolts that you have to take out for each hinge. There's 3 up top, 3 on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all those out. And there's also this roll pin right here. I gotta pop that out. And then after we get all that off, the door should hopefully slide right off. And no issues, I can go ahead and grab the half door, bring it over, and start drilling these. Or I'm gonna grind them because I don't have a drill bit that I wanna really sit there and sit with. But I'm gonna grind the original door hinge pins out and pound those out so I can put these I bought from Tractor Supply. They are 3/8. That's really blown out. They are 3/8 Clevis pins. I use Clevis pins, so in the event that I really wanted to, I could secure the pins in. I don't know that I'm going to do that yet, but we'll see. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Well, that's one door off. Gotta do the other side now. Alright guys, so on these hinges, they got these pins here that run down. As you can see, mine are pretty worn out. The bottom one's definitely worse, but they're pretty worn out, which is like my main reason for wanting to do this. Because it doesn't even, like I had to kind of try to rig up my latch so it would work a little bit better. But yeah, so hopefully gonna fix that today. I gotta get this ground off, that ground off, and I gotta punch them pins out with a hammer. Same thing with the other side. And then I can take these pins that I bought, these ones that I bought, and run them down through. So kind of like how on these doors, they did that. I didn't make these doors. Like I said, I bought them like that. So I just pretty much, I'm doing what they did. So yeah, should work out pretty good, and I'm excited to see the end result. This thing kind of looks killer with no doors on it, I'm not even gonna lie. It's not bad. But I think it's gonna look better with the half doors. Definitely gonna look better with half doors on it. Alright. So I got the passenger side done already. I'm gonna show you guys that actually because it's pretty cool. Don't mind the dirty Jeep. That's the inside. Walk around here. That's pretty cool if you ask me. Alright, so I have to grind out these pins right here I know it won't focus, I'm sorry. Gotta grind out these pins, and then this part will come off. I thought I had the other ones laying here, I would have showed you, but I don't. Alright, so now I gotta get a hammer and a punch, and I gotta punch those pins out. I can't see where there it is. Same thing on the bottom. Fuck off. Alright, gonna go ahead and put the door on. Got them hinges all drilled out. Had to modify the fender a little bit. Had to give it the old encouragement with me mallet. And she went right on. And that'd be a half door on a Cherokee. Now we get to go test them out. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much gonna sum up what I got for you today on the Cherokee. I wanted to do the frame stiffeners this week, but unfortunately they did not come with the bottom part, and I didn't know that until I got here, so you'll have that on those big jobs. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't, give me a subscribe, please. Like the video if you like it. That'd be awesome. Share it with your friends. And if you like what I'm doing, keep coming back.